Okay, so it is May 14th at like 2 p.m. and I'm flying out of DCA to LAX at 5:30. I packed this whole backpack yesterday and then thought about it and realized I didn't feel like lugging around a gigantic like special forces backpack through the airport, and it's kind of a shame too because this thing's like super dope. It's like one of the Oakley kitchen sink editions, and you can literally drop it out of a helicopter and it'll be fine. But it's also like huge, and with all my stuff in it would be like super heavy. So I just didn't want to be like walking around like a hunchback all the time. So saving it for next time, buddy. I did pull all my stuff out of there pretty much already. It was essentially packed, but like one of the things that I really didn't like is that it's got this like canvas like pull top, so you can like it'll be like completely waterproof. You could like throw it like in a lake and something. Everything's watertight, which is like super dope. But like accessing your whole life for the next, because I don't know when I'm coming back. So accessing your whole life through just this, then I would have to like pull everything out to like assemble outfits unless I like individually bag them, and it's like not for this trip. Super dope bag. Did spend a small fortune on it like a long time ago, so I really wish I was gonna take it, but yeah, we're gonna go with a standard random black carry-on that I've had forever. Let's make sure there's not still stuff in here from last time. So I did, when I was packing yesterday, I started to put stuff in here already. So like it is compartmentalized, like the style at least. So like this is like my collared shirts. I think I'm bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I originally had 7, but then I watched all these like minimalist packing videos on YouTube, and they made me feel bad about myself and blah blah blah. And like I'm staying with friends this time too, so like I can just like do laundry. So 5 collared shirts, 5 rolled up black tees, because that's the only tees I own. Pair of white jeans, because I'm going to be in the desert, but I don't believe in shorts. Pair of black jeans. And then I guess just this other pair that I'm wearing. This dot bag is just socks and underwear. Did go like super extra on socks. There's like 15 pairs in there, because you never know. So the cool thing about this was that there was like, you know, the huge like initial pocket, and then like there's like a laundry like shoe pocket down there, which is awesome. But this is literally just like an open bazaar, so I kind of have to figure out how to put in all these like random things now. All right, so shoes will go in this extra helmet bag. Oh, and one thing I was like kind of pissed about too was like I didn't think it was a good idea to like I like jackets. Like I'm not taking like a heavy jacket. I'm going to Arizona and Cali and who knows where else. So it's gonna be like hot. I don't want to take like a huge jacket or whatever, but I did also want to, like I like wearing like sport jackets and stuff, so I want to have options for that. And I think whenever I get there and I'm like putting my shoes like out next to my bag, like whenever I've like settled into a place, because I'm like I go crash with my buddy for a few days, and then this girl for like a week or so, and then probably go up to San Francisco to see my friend. So I can use this as like a laundry bag once I like get in there. Shove this son of a bitch in here. All right, so shoes are in. Personal care stuff kind of filtered into there. Is that all of it? Okay, so this will go in like this pocket here, and then so phone charger, lighters, I'll keep that stuff more accessible. Deodorant, probably should have gone in one of those bags, but actually I believe that should always be quick access. Hair, my hairspray is too big to take, but that's like a pomade, and then I've been using these for my face, and I guess they like kind of work, so that's cool. Portable charger, need that. Glasses, really don't plan on using those anytime soon, so let's throw those in there. Beanie, that can take cologne, car charger for the rental car, that should stay like easily accessible, charger in this case for the headset, hairbrush, lint roller, extra mints, charging unit, converter for multiple outlets and shit, GPS tracker, cause yep, beanie, spare like bags and shit. I guess these could like all like kind of go in here and like make it a little more together. Just spare plastic bags because you like literally always need these for random stuff. Gift for Amanda that I was supposed to give her like forever ago. Got it on my last trip to Seattle and I forgot it. Extra pack of smokes. Spare coronavirus masks. My amazing mom made me this one, which is like actually pretty legit. I mean, not that it wouldn't be, but I don't know. I wasn't sure about the whole over the ear thing, so I thought I would get like straining, but I guess we'll see after a 6-hour flight, because I'm gonna wear one of these. And this is my original Mortal Kombat mask, which, I don't know, it's like kind of cool, but the shitty thing is like it like falls down because it's just strapped back, you know, there's nothing to pull it up. It gets so hot, oh my god, these things suck. Like all masks, pretty pissed about it. Okay, so now I do have like this flat open space and I can pretty much see and access everything kind of almost instantly, which is really what I was going for. That's probably a bigger reason really that I switched to this as opposed to staying with the Oakley bag. I love that bag, it's so cool, but like it didn't feel practical. It's more for like if your stuff's not coming out of your bag and you want to protect your stuff, then yeah, that's cool. Like I feel like a slightly more like outdoors or like tactical setting, then that would be appropriate. But like if I just want to like go stay at a friend's place for a week, I want to be able to just open it and get dressed, not like have to, you know, like pull this thing out and then load stuff all over their place, you know. Like if you're already staying with someone, like you want to minimize your impact and your footprint. So there's that. I'm also not used to traveling carry-on like at all. I never take a carry-on. I always just check my bags. But I also always have rental cars and always have hotels. And so this is actually going to be a really new experience for me. This is like the grab and go pocket on this backpack, like the most easily accessible. So like snacks, mints, these can just go in my pocket. And then 2 months worth of contacts and the mask I'm actually going to wear on the flight. So this stuff should still stay a little more accessible. Oh, headphones. So those will actually tuck neatly right there. Okay, so, but then also what this does give me room to do, which I'm actually super stoked about, is bring a couple of jackets, because there was no way I was going to, I did try, but it just felt wrong, like rolling up a couple tuxedo jackets to put into this bag. I don't know. It's a beautiful bag with the beautiful jackets, and you just can't do that. And then all my Marriott discount forms for when I am staying at hotels. I'm staying at one in Santa Monica tonight. So I'll just fold out and put in my jacket, and the rest of these can hide in here. I mean, I could just show them my phone, but I don't like having to deal with it. Like, sorry trees, but I'd rather just hand them something and forget about it. Okay, jackets. Alright, so hopefully I edited that out, but yeah, one thing I was kind of worried about with changing bags is like that one was already maxed out, so I'd kind of accepted, like, oh, I gotta take stuff out, like, I can't take anything else. And I have a habit of just like filling whatever bag I take. So these are the jackets that I wanted to bring. I mean, you have to. So let's see if we can make this work. I don't want to like end up like overloaded again just with a different bag, but I think this for the style of this particular trip, like my travel pattern, I feel like this is a more practical bag as opposed to traveling with like the tactical pack. So we'll see. But yeah, I wouldn't have been able, like, I'm comfortable like flying with the jackets like stored like this. I'm not like worried about them. They'll do. But I didn't feel comfortable like rolling them up in there. Pocket squares. Take these two. Should I? Yeah. Yeah. This one can go for this guy. Okay, we'll just shove this shit in here. I don't feel like dealing with this. And so yeah, then that's still reasonable. Alright, so then for the top here, gotta go in my jacket. These can go inside. I'm already wearing contacts. A couple spare pairs. I like to stuff stuff like right here by the top of the bag, so you can just unzip the top and grab it real quick. So these are like nicer sunglasses for when I'm out in the desert. They'll actually work. And then just like a throwaway pair. And then these are my rounders glasses for traveling. And the snacks can go like up here too. But then I do want to keep like my portable charger and cable, lighter, wall outlet, and headset thingy, car charger. Keep those right there. Yeah, let's just fold this up here, toss it right in. Alright, so I'm pretty much ready to roll. This is gonna go in my jacket pocket. Also, then like this small like odds and ends too. That's the cool thing about these bags is they have like all these extra damn little pockets. So like pens and like mini booze bottles, gotta have them. Spare lighter. I think we'll just take a pen and a Sharpie. This shit can go in the grab and go access point. Yeah, I just usually like hate dealing with bags, you know, so I'll always check everything, and I just have this huge Oakley duffel that's like killer. I always take that, and then I check it like literally when Tide pen, just in case. I always like get it checked like right at the curb, and never see it again until I land, and then when I land, the baggage claim is like, I don't know, like 100 feet from there to the rental car shuttle, and then I just throw it in the rental car, and then when I check into the hotel, they take the bag in, and it's never a problem. So that's the thing. So since I'm not like on like a set itinerary for this trip, I'm just like, oh, I have to like actually be practical, which is not something I'm used to or good at. I mean, maybe like when I was younger, I like did like a lot of moving around and stuff. So back then, but I haven't used one of these guys in a while. But yeah, there's pretty much everything we need to roll in here. I have no idea when I'm coming back.